Tired of your favorite apps not talking to each other? Let's bridge the gap by connecting any two platforms using the power of Zapier and APIs for custom workflows. First, head over to Zapier and create a news app. This will be your automated workflow. Choose your trigger app. This is the app that kicks off the workflow when something happens, like a new lead in your CRM. Now, here's where the magic happens. If Zapier doesn't have a direct integration for your action app, search for Webhooks by Zapier. This lets you connect to almost any platform with an API. Select Webhooks by Zapier. Then choose the appropriate trigger that corresponds with the platform you are trying to pull data from. Now, you will need to consult the API documentation for your action app. This documentation will give you information on how to make requests, the structure of your AP request, and the data format the application accepts. In Zapier, you will customize the request using the details from the API documentation. Enter the API endpoint URL. Select the appropriate HTTP method like POST or GET. Then, set the necessary headers, which often includes an authorization token. Finally, format your data payload in the data section. Test your AP request in Zapier. If successful, you'll see a sample response with data pulled in from the external API. Verify that the data being pulled is correct. Map these data points into your next step. Next, connect the second platform you'd like to send the data to. Map the data fields you pulled in from your webhook to fields in the action app. For example, if the webhook returned an email, you can send it to your email marketing application. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. You have now successfully connected to platforms with Zapier and an AP. Explore the possibilities and supercharge your workflows.